it flat. I pressed. Hold on. Oh! What do you think this is? Who sent this box?
ليه انت لا
Who sent this? Oh, look at that. Look at this cool dinosaur box. Cool. Let's see. Why do you think Grandma and Grandpa sent you this?
And a shirt.
That's for Avon. A dress for Avon. And these are for Lulu. Wow, look at those scary dinosaurs. There's a lot of reading to do. Look.
Wow.
Wow. Look, Avon. This is for Avon too. Look how cool. Very nice. You like it?
Good.
Yeah, I like it. Is it nice?
And
These are bubbles. Can you look at the camera and say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa? Say thank you.
Thank you. But I just did.
Look at the camera and say thank you again.
Thank you.
Look at the camera.
Look here, Lulu.
Grandma and Grandpa. Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Can you look at the camera and say I love you? Look at the camera.
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Avon, can you say I love you
I love you.
so much?